We are pleased to show you 2012 Sedona. Sedona has the highest safety rating of any minivan on the market. With its comfortable ride, quiet cabin, and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Sedona is a great choice for any on-the-go family and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power steering, FWD, Sirius, satellite radio, battery saver, carpeted floor mats, side curtain airbag, body color door handles, roof rails. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.